Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, we will be learning how to change your IMVU profile picture. So let's get started. First of all, open up the IMVU application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. Now once you open up your profile, click on Edit right next to your name. And then from the Edit Profile section, tap on Change Profile Image at the very top. Now in the pop-up, you have two options. You can take your own photo from your device's camera by tapping Take Photo and take a picture to upload as your profile picture. If you want to choose an existing picture from your device's camera roll, tap on Choose Existing. You may also need to allow access for IMVU to your photos on your device, and after you do that, you'll be taken to your device's camera roll. Select the photo you'd like to use as your profile picture. Now pins in or out and make sure that the picture is inside this circle and click on Done at the top right. Soon after you do that, you will notice your Change Profile Image has a new profile picture now. Click on Save at the top right to save the change, and that's it. Your new profile picture will now appear on your IMVU profile. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.